So how do I start my mornings? I get up like this, I stretch right after I brush my teeth and wash my face and eat my breakfast. I'll show what I have for breakfast today too. I think you'll like it. I go out for a workout. I've been working out in the park for the past 2 years. It's been good. Saved me a lot of time. Can't say money because I've been training in gyms, but it saved me a lot of time working out at the park. So we'll be out there. I'm going to go ahead and brush my teeth. See you in a minute. So I'm brushing my teeth. You there? Hey, I'm about to eat some breakfast before I go out. I'm gonna show you. This is an apple. Let me show you what I'm gonna eat. This is what I'm eating. Whoa. Look how hard I cook those. I don't like them too dry, but I don't like them wet. All right, everybody. I'm out here about to do my workout at the park. Let me show you what it looks like. There's a few puddles out here. That's okay. I'm gonna come out here and do some pull-ups on those bars and on those bars over there. And then, I'm gonna do some dips on those parallel bars to strengthen my wrists and my triceps. So it's cold out here, but I finished my workout this morning. And I'm about to go to Walmart and create a video for you all. That's a part of my day's work, creating good content. Hey everyone, I made it to Walmart. I walked up here. I decided to come to the Subway section in the eating area and prepare to get some work done today for my clients. I'm going to remake a video that I worked on before because the audio was a bit cloudy for me. So I'm working on that right now. I'm gonna give you an idea of what I'm working on today as the day goes on. So I'm going to organize and review my client contact list just to make sure I'm up to par with communications with all my clients, making sure everyone on Google Hangouts has had their question answered. And because that's how I communicate with my clients. I use Google Hangouts, and that seems to be working pretty good. So no complaints from them. They like it. I like it. So it's good. I'm going to rework my communication log so I can keep track on how I communicate with everybody and how frequently they're communicating with me, so I can know if there's any people kind of hanging in the background, because I got a good bit. So if there's any people that are hanging in the background, I know that something's either going on, they're busy, or I just need to send them a text message, or not a text message, an instant message on Google Hangouts. I send it that way, just making sure everything is okay and why I haven't heard from them through a follow-up. Let's see what else I'm doing. What am I doing? Let's see. Oh, marketing. I'm doing some marketing today because I changed the prices for my personal training. I raised it just a bit because I started getting some more clients. So to kind of slow it down a little bit, I raised it up to $400 for 1 month of personal training. And that's with all the perks and benefits that I add to it, to each client. So I raised the price to $400 per month, online personal training. And, gotta check your email. I did that. And, yeah, we'll see how it goes. I got a message here. We'll see what that is. But, yeah. Other than that, that's all I'm doing today. So you all saw my entire routine, pretty much. It's getting up, brush my teeth, wash my face, and getting started with my day. And that's about it. Later on, I might go for a walk because my day typically ends early. It's pretty free and relaxing. So, you know, I'm just me. So, if you have any questions, reach out to me at MARCUSFITPRO@gmail.com. MARCUSFITPRO@gmail.com. And I will be happy to answer your questions and give you any type of advice that you may want or need. So, talk to you later.